Hi guys! Now we're going to Epic Universe here in Orlando, Florida. Say hi, Nay.
Hi.
Hi, birthday boy.
Say happy.
Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, JC.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hey, say happy birthday, JC.
Happy birthday. Say thank you.
Ayan, ay magbabiyahe tayo pero mag-drive-thru muna tayo sa Dunkin' Donut. Some drive in the US, Florida.
Anak
This
mo
is
ha. Lady.
neighborhood.
Binigyan ko ng may naputol na kukay ayaw.
Ay, gusto niya buo.
Gusto buo. Silam ka ha.
First time ko mag-drive dito sa Orlando, Florida. Guys.
Nagpa-vlog ka ba?
Yes.
Say hi.
Hello.
Uy, Cookie!
Punta kami ngayon sa Epic.
Uy! Yummy cookie! Wow!
Ano, ingat ka rin sa sa mga speed. Ay, nagugutom eh. Oh, wait lang. Gusto mo naman eh.
On our way to Dunkin' Donuts! Namiss ko ang Dunkin' Donuts.
Bago ra. Ha?
Video. Cookie! Say cookie.
Cookie.
Say hi, Lola.
Outlet pa lang, papagod na. Ano kaya tong Epic?
Mas matindi yan na eh. Pero magre-rest naman tayo from time to time.
After 6 years, 4 years, nakain lang ulit kami ng Dunkin' Donuts dito sa Florida.
Dunkin'. Drive-thru yun Dunkin' nila.
Di ko alam.
Kahit hindi na muna. Makapasok lang ako ng Dunkin'.
Go past this light and take your next right into the park.
Roller coaster ride, hands up in the sky, take you on a ride, love to feel the high, we can start again, laughing to the end, screaming at the top, hope it never stops, we could do it all over, dream is bringing us closer, superstar you're like Nova, oh, so
Oo. Oh, hold daddy, hold. Hold daddy. Hold daddy. Yan na. Yan na. Say hi, mama.
Hello.
Hi, mama. Are you tired?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, good, good, good.
Let's see in Epic.
Good na. So, here's the Dunkin' Donut.
Minun na nga ako naggamot ko.
Yay! We miss you, Dunkin'. Wala nang laman. Daddy, wala nang laman. Walang stock.
Wala yung flavor.
Sold out halos lahat eh.
Wala kasing talagang donut dito.
Ha? Malakas Dunkin' Donut. Sa Pinas, hindi masyado ata. Uy, where are you going? We're going inside the car. Daddy! Daddy!
Daddy na. Sasakay.
Ikaw Lahat.
Ay, ayan po oh, nagtatantrums po oh. Ay, grabe po oh.
Ay, birthday mo ngayon ha.
Wala na.
Let's
North on
stop.
Florida 530. South
Dunkin'
Apopka
Donut
Vineland
ulit
Road.
kasi wala na
In
masyadong stock
1,000
dun sa
feet,
unang
turn right after
Dunkin'
Denny's
Donut na
Restaurant.
pinuntahan namin. So, yan.
Gusto kong kumain dyan sa Dennis kaso hindi kami nakakain
After
dati.
Denny's
Denny's.
Restaurant, turn right onto Palm Parkway.
Daddy,
Ano
meron
pagkain
tayo
dyan?
sa Pilipinas niyan.
Ano ba pagkain dyan? Pwede
Mga
pa
ano
nakakain
lang,
dyan.
mga pancake, mga ganun.
Ah.
American.
Ito dito, gusto kong kumain dito.
Kizuna.
Buffet and sushi Kaso di kami makakain nun Kawagawa din nila tatay mo nun
Kain na lang tayo sa labas
At the light,
later.
turn right onto
Dinner.
Palm Parkway.
Tingin niya.
Ako okay lang.
Di ba? Pero hindi na natin intindihin sa pag-uwi.
Sabi nga kanina, kung ano daw kakainin.
Sleeping na ang birthday boy. Birthday boy sleeping.
Head north. Head south.
Parang
Next stop, Dunkin' uli.
may ganitong weather.
Hmm? So, binigyan tayo ng budget ni Daddy. $20 lang. Morning. Ay, ang ganda, mother, oh. You don't have butternut, the butternut flavor? Sorry. Oh my gosh. Okay, great. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. So, walang butternut. Saka na tayo dumaan dyan. So, wala na
Nalilate
naman
na tayo.
butternut. Ano bang klaseng Dunkin' Donut ang meron dito?
Baka hindi
Butternut. Ma, yun ang pinaka, ano nila, like, anong tawag ni signature flavor nila ng Dunkin'. Walang butternut natin.
Ha?
Walang
Baka
butter.
wala naman talagang
Meron. Third stop, Dunkin' Donut. Last na to, pagka walang butternut,
Ano?
wala na talaga.
Ano
Hindi ko na pipilitin.
Alam ko na mong isang to. Gusto maghanap ng butter. My goodness.
My goodness.
Mamamatay na walang butter na.
Oo naman, minsan na lang tayo mag-US eh.
Butternut na. Ewan ko ba?
Ayun, daming stock. So we got our drinks. Hindi pala
Dunkin'
akin to.
Donuts.
Kay Daddy pala na. Daddy! So walang butternut. Butternut na flavor ng donut na hinahanap-hanap ko. Mukhang sa Pilipinas na lang. Got our donuts.
Hi guys. We're going to Epic Universe. Epic Universe birthday boy. Birthday boy. Epic Universe birthday boy.
Diyan kayo. Kate.
Let's go.
Buti hindi pa masyado mainit. Follow daddy ah. Okay lang. Hi mom. Hello. We're here in Epic. Nice.
Eddie's.
Ay.
Bakit?
Buhay pa yung ano ko, maps. Google Maps ko. Naka-play ah.
Hi guys. We're here at Epic. Our baby. Dito namin sa celebrate yung birthday ni JC. Kasi it's 2 years old na siya. Ayan guys. Maghapon na kami rito. Dito try namin yung lahat ng rides. Mainit dito ngayon. Super. Pero okay lang. Try namin mga rides. Ito yung dalawa. Parking, gas, and then the Pogi boy. Pogi is the best. Daming tao naglalakad. Friday ngayon pero ang daming tao. Let's see. Ito yung entrance. Laki ng gate. Okay na. Wow. That's the main entrance. Epic Universe. See? What's the Epic Universe?
Daddy, CR muna kami.
Picture tayo dun ah.
Pero CR muna kami.
See.
Today's 1 year today, May 22nd. So it's 1 year for Dia.
Dito maganda rin ang angulo rito.
Baka isang taon lang ba na ito daddy?
Oo nga.
Kaya pala eh.
Sige. Woohoo! Ah, picture. Picture lang kita. No, later. Picture lang kita. Come here. Here. Say hi. Dali oh. Ito na guys, we're here at Epic Universe. Say hi! Oh, bakit? Come here, come here. See? Epic Universe. We're here at second birthday of JC. Nakamurot siya guys. See? Epic Universe. Huwag ikaw magalit. It's hot? It's hot? Huh?
Send it to me.
Yay! Let's go guys. Let's going inside. Going to Epic Universe. Daisy. Birthday ni Daisy. Birthday ni Daisy. Yay! Hello guys. We're here at Epic Universe. See? Yay! Jaycee's birthday, second birthday. Yay! JC, happy birthday, JC. Happy birthday, JC. JC's happy birthday. Happy birthday, JC. Say hi. Hi. Hi guys, we're here at Epic Universe. We're going to the guest services because sa birthday celebrant natin na ng aking anak na si Jordan Clyde JC. It's anniversary 24.
So it's May 22nd, 2026. Where do we start? Right? Dito muna tayo. Happy birthday! So this is the So let's buy one headband. I like this one. How much? No price. 30 plus tax. So 31. So there are a lot of merch. Yay! So pretty. I'm bumili ma. Like souvenir. Toothless. Oh, so cutie. Cute. What's this? Ano yan? Harry Potter. Wow. Gusto ni Kuya Arlian yung mga toothless. Eto, sila toothless. Gusto ni Kuya. So cute. Naantok ata si JC.
Ha?
Nainitan.
Oo nga, mainit nga.
Picture.
Picture na yun.
Ah! Ano pangalan nito? Itong nasa ulap.
Dapat dinala mo shades mo eh.
Ayoko nga.
Dami mong shades mo, pati may Ray-Ban ka pa dun eh.
Picture tayo dun. Wow, sarap magtampisaw. Daddy, yung hood ni JC baka mainitan na.
Save mo lang. Gagawa na paraan yun.
How's the init?
Also hot.
Also hot. Also.
But enjoying.
Ano si Daddy? Daddy!
Hi JC! Birthday boy, birthday boy, birthday boy.
Ay, sorry. Nahihilo si JC sa init. Wow! Pasok na. Pupunta na po kami sa ibang dimensyon ng mundo. Ako meron. Eh, may sunblock si Mama. Saan? Tara, dito.
Dito!
Saan?
Picture ka dun eh. Para ako kunin na doon.
Makikita na natin si Tutuas.
Alas 9 sa kami sa sarado na sila.
Wow! JC, look oh!
Birthday boy!
Hindi naman masyado.
Hi guys, we're already here inside the Epic Universe with my wife and my son. It's so hot. It's very irritating. So yun. Wow.
Daddy, picture mo.
We have a little dinosaur here. It's nice.
Nakita ni JC.
Look, JC
JC, oh, look, a dinosaur, oh.
Dinosaur!
Dinosaur? Wow! It's dinosaur! Yay! Ganda, patulis, oh. Parang ano siya mama, yung dragon, ano? Parang style siya ng dragon, mami, no? Ayun mo, mga boat,
Ito,
oh.
fire thrill.
Ayun, a boat. Linis ng tubig, oh. Wow. Tara. Water DJ si Mami.
Water you want? Ayaw?
Gusto nyo mag-rides? Na ikaw gusto mo?
Ay, no, dyan tayo, park.
Tara.
Bata mo. Ayun, parang kami yung bata dito. Easy, ano ba? Ready, ah. Cute. Ready?
Wow.
Ready, dito.
She didn't see it.
After ilang minutes?
After
Ilang minutes tayo?
10 hours?
An hour.
After 1 hour.
Pila.
Na high blood na po yan. Hindi lang po halata. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Yeah. Laway. Listen.
You want to bring him over here? Awesome. How many in your group? 4. Okay, that's fine. Okay, we just have a few safety rules to go over. So, when you go up and say hello to Toothless, just make sure you're safe and gentle with him. Just make sure you're touching him and petting him on top of the nose and on top of the head. So right on top of the nose and head is where you're gonna say hi, touch and pet him. Real easy. Just make sure you're not doing anything hurtful or upsetting. So what you don't want to do is things like touch his eyes, or his mouth and chin, or ears, anything like that you want to stay away from. Just right on top of the nose and head is what you want to do when you say hello. We allow up to 2 pictures with him. If you need help with your 2 pictures, our friends are over there and they can help take photos.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and go that way.
Thank you, sir. We're seeing Toothless. Ah! We're seeing Toothless. Toothless. Ito, hindi Toothless. Ang daming ngipin. Hello. It's his birthday today. Happy Hatch Day.
Toothless,
Hi.
I know you're thinking, but that is not a Neil. Those are just his pants.
I know. It's also not a child sacrifice. That was yesterday.
Yeah.
It's okay. He's really friendly. You can also just wave if you want to.
We saw him. No.
Good job.
You're going to take another step this way?
Hot? Hot? Is it hot? No?
Tara kayo, pasok kayo dito sa Treasure.
Ano yan? 70 minutes wait time pa dati. Ano ba yan? Meet and greet pala.
Ano yan?
Ano yan? Shop yan?
Tapos pala yan.
Gusto niyo manood? Showtime? Ito, daddy, oh. Dragon. Anong oras na ba? 12:50 daw eh. Mamaya pa yun.
Ano oras na ba?
Mamaya pa ata yun.
Ay, namumuri na mo.
Wala, hindi gumagana
30 minutes na
30
lang.
minutes pa eh.
Tara,
Saan?
na tayo.
Tanong mo kung pwede pumasok.
Yep, you're welcome to come on into our waiting area here. if you'd
Thank
like.
you.
Just put on the stroller.
Do we need to put the stroller outside?
Yeah.
Okay. Mainit ulo. Mainit ulo sa mainit na panahon. Ay, salamat.
Salamat.
AC! Ay, salamat. Aircon.
Finally.
Aircon. Wow.
Head all the way down, all the staircases, and enter the road.
Hi, Daddy. Ang linaw ah. Super night. How are you?
Finally.
Aircon.
There's an aircon.
JC, look. We're going to watch.
Get those out of here!
At si Boy Babay, oh. Boy Babay. Boy Babay. Hi. Boy Bye-bye. Dito kami ngayon. Walking distance kami. Look, oh. JC, this is the dragon, oh. That you saw. See? That one, JC, oh. Look, oh. Wow. Mami, dito tayo. Pasok tayo dito. Grabe, ang taas na ito. Ano kaya to? Pero tayo. Hindi na namin natapos yung theater movie ng Dragon dahil si JC ay umuwi. You wanna try the rides? But you are baby. If you're big, if you are a big boy, you can try sweater. Pag malaki ka na, okay? See? Say hi. Wait, Mami. Hintayin muna namin si Mrs. Habang bata makulit na po ay nag-rest. Ano? You're hungry na?
Do you want this while y'all are waiting in line? Sure. Okay, so you
Let's
can
go na.
just put it in your bag when you're done with it. Yep.
Hi!
Kamusta? Hindi pa tayo nakakalipad sa ibang dimensyon.
Woo! Nanay, ganun try natin, no? Ayoko niya.
Ayun, Daddy. Oh.
Hindi maganda yan.
Ayun, oh my
Hindi
God.
maganda yan, nanay. Diyan ka masusuka. Kasi umiikot-ikot ka.
Ano?
Diyan ka masusuka kasi umiikot-ikot. Okay na yung ganun, no? Roller coaster.
Oo, hindi ako.
Big! Ako bahala sa'yo. Sabi tayo. So guys, kami nang maghanap kami ng pagkain.
Ay, daddy, pwede place yan.
Ayun, doon na tayo, no? Ako, sasakay ako, mami.
Sakay ka dyan?
Oo, sakay ako dyan. Gusto ko lang na ma-experience.
Kaya ni JI.
Ewan ko, tatanong ko. Tara, Nay!
Yoko. Dati, mas mahaba pa yung na-experience ko dyan sa Hong Kong.
Eh, ba't ngayon ayaw mo na?
Umiidad na.
Hindi. Gusto. Diyan ba'y sakayan?
Ikaw, kakain ba muna o sakay?
Sige, susunod ako sa inyo kung nasan kayo.
Ha?
Nasakay muna ako. Di na, malalagpasan na natin yan eh.
Sa kakain muna.
Oo nga, para
Ano ba yan? Ano? Bila ka dyan?
Sige, pila ako. Dapat sa blue lang ako eh. Ba't ba dito ako pupunta?
Eh, 10 minutes wait lang dati.
Sige, tara na eh. Tara na.
Ayaw.
Mas phone ko, kunin ko.
Ha? Akin na yun.
Magsa-solo rides ako ngayon dito sa Extreme.